Hi, my name is Rachel Daniels and I will be teaching you something essential. Today we'll be learning about how to create a blog and how to post a blog. And blogging is very important. It's one of the essentials of multimedia. Blogging is kind of a non-formal way of typing an essay or an article. Anywho, first things first, we need to find a host website for your blog. So the search engine I'm using is Google. So I will type in the word blog. So as I look at the results, I see one of the first things is Wikipedia, which gives you the definition of what a blog is. There's blogger.com, there's blog.com, there's some people's blogs, and there's a few blog spots. However, I choose to go with blogger.com. The reason why I chose blogger.com is because it is a publishing tool from Google. And if you have a Gmail, the good thing about this is that it already has you nice and registered. So all your information that you put in for your Gmail mailing account, it's already in your Blogger account. So you don't have to go through the hassle of reconnecting everything. And you know, Google is connected to YouTube, so all of that is a good thing. I would suggest, if you do not have a Google account, that you should get one, or if you do not have a Gmail account, that you should get one. However, if you don't have one and you don't want a Gmail account, you can simply register the normal way. Now, once you get registered, this is what the home page looks like. This is my home page. I didn't decorate it. This is, I guess, the default home page. Miss Interdependent, that is my sorority line name that I use a lot as an alias. But it has my name, Rachel Daniels Blogs. And you can, fill out some information up here about the author. That's a picture of me. Now, down here are blogs that I've already created. I had two little test blogs before I made this video. This was a former blog I made years and years ago. You see the last published date, January 18th, 2012. So it looks like I need to get busy. Anyways, to start the blog, now there's two things we'll be creating. We will be creating a blog and then a blog post. So first things first, to create one of these, we click on the tab, which is right under this YouTube video called New Blog. Once you click on it, it will ask you to create a new blog. So first things first, we need to create a blog title. So just like the other ones, I will name it Teaching an Essential Thing, Blogging instead of 2.0, because we have one, we will say 3.0. Now, the address that they are asking for is the URL address. You create the name and then it'll add the tag .blogspot.com, which means once you have this URL, you'll be able to just send somebody just the link and they can go directly to your blog without you having to try to maneuver them around the website to find it. You can send them this link directly. So first, we need to create a name that is available, a domain name. So, can we say MEDT, class number 7484, and as you can see, it says Project 3, which is something I've already actually used, so that will not be available, but I can add to it. So Project 3, as you can see, it says, sorry, this blog address is not available because I used it before. And I'll say 3.0. Will that work? Nope. How about we just say project? That'll work. So the name I use, the address, is MEDT7484project.blogspot.com. So we have created a title, Teach an Essential Thing, Blogging 3.0, and we created a URL address, MEDT7484project.blogspot.com. And the last thing to create is a template. Now they give you, this is 7 different templates. The only bad thing I see here for me personally is that you can't really get a strong view of it without, you just have to pick it, and I'm pretty sure you can go back and change it later. So So I think we're going to try Awesome Ink. As you can see, it's dark and it looks pretty fantastic, so we'll go with that one. Then once you double check the name, you have your title, Teach an Essential Thing, blogging3.0.com. Your address is MEDT7484project.blogspot.com, and you've chose your template, which is Awesome Ink. You press Create Blog, and there it is. It shows up right here at the very top. Let's click on it real quick. What this page does, it kind of shows you the updates, the page views, your comments, awaiting comments. And since this is a new blog, we have none of that. So we'll go back. We'll click View Blog here. And this is what your page looks like. Now, you have not had a chance to post a blog, which is coming up next, but this is just the domain page. Now we click back over and it says Start Blogging. Okay, so we are about to create our first blog post. Now at the very top, it says Post and it says Post Title. So what should we call this post title? Something simple. My first blog post. Now in the context box, we'll type something simple. Now this is where you'll put all your information, your articles, your paragraphs. So I will just say hi, since it's our first blog post. My name is Rachel Daniels, and this is project actually, let's say this is module 3's mini project. I am learning about blogging, which is an essential. I'm gonna have to go back and see if that's correct. Trying to see, that's obviously not how you spell essential, sorry. Essential thing. In media technology. Thank goodness for spell check, right? So, again, I said my name is Rachel Daniels, and this is Module 3's mini project. I'm learning about blogging, which is an essential thing in media technology. Now, once I write my content, which blogging should be more, but you know what? It's completely up to you because it is informal. Up here, we can manipulate things about our context, our text. Like, for instance, if I want to change the font of my name, Rachel Daniels, then I can go to this F and choose one of these different fonts. We'll go with that. If I would like to change the color of the text, we'll highlight it. I can go here and let's change it to red. There's also spell check. You can underline, italics, highlight, add links. You can add a photo. You can add video. Now, I would actually like to add a photo. So we press this button here that looks like a photo that says Insert Image. And it takes us to a page which we click Choose Files. So it automatically took me to the files on my desktop, but if you have a jump drive or anything connected, you'll go to Devices and you'll pull from there. I think I might want this one. That's pretty, right? We'll choose this picture. Now you have to remember to select the photo, then add Selected. And there it is. Under the picture, I will add a simple caption. This is from the Georgia Aquarium. If I want to make this word a little bigger, just highlight it. I'll put bold, italics. Actually, I'll underline it. So, what we've done so far, we have created a name for our blog post, which is my first blog post. The content, hi, my name is Rachel Daniels, and this is Module 3's mini project. I am learning about blogging. Instead of learning, because I am the teacher, I am teaching about blogging, which is an essential thing in media technology. I would actually like to change. Very simple. So that is actually all it takes for you to create a blog post. Now, once you put everything in there you want, your text, you put your image or your video, you want to save just in case. Now, before you publish, you want to get an idea of what your video will look like. I mean, not what your video, what your blog post will look like before you publish it. Once you publish it, that allows other people to see your blog. That means your URL link is alive and well for people to look at it. So you want to actually get a preview before you publish. So you press preview to give an idea of what it's going to look like. And this is what your first blog post looks like. The name of your blog, Teach an Essential Thing, Blogging 3.0, then your first blog post. My first blog post here, my name is Rachel Daniels, and this is Module 3's mini project. I am teaching about blogging, which is an essential thing in media technology. We had this beautiful picture of the dolphin show at the Georgia Aquarium with the name Georgia Aquarium under it. Here it has the date, Tuesday, January 28, 2014, that this was created, and the time that the blog was posted. Even though it says 1:17, it's actually 4:18, so I'm not sure what's with the time, but it's fine. Here will allow your readers and your viewers to comment. They will type in their comments and they will publish it, and then it'll show up on your blog. It'll actually give you an opportunity to whether approve or deny whether you'd like this post to show up. Now, this is just a preview. You see, it took you to another area. So we go back here. And once you realize it's all said and done, you triple checked your wording, your spelling, and you're satisfied with the preview, you press this square orange button that says published. And congratulations, your blog is published. Wait, sorry, let's go back. View blog. This is your published blog. Now you see up here at the URL is the one that we made up. MEDT 7484 project.blogspot.com. So when you've created it and you're all done, you'll just send your teacher or whoever you want to read your blog this URL. Well, I hope you enjoyed listening and that you learned something, because blogging is one of the highest forms of media technologies, and I absolutely love it. Students, I cannot wait to read what you wrote. Please, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.